Hi everyone. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. My name is SUMA BABU. I am an artist. If you are interested to see art, craft and gardening related topics, then you are in the right place. So, welcome to another episode of Palette Life. Today I would like to take up some craft topic. We'll make some DIY desk decors using oil paintings. Isn't it interesting? Let's note the materials needed for today's project. We need a canvas sheet. Any leftover small canvas sheets will do. Next we need any air dry clay. I'm just using this one. Next is these type of silicone molds used for clay modeling. If you don't have this one, then don't worry, we can use handmade models also for this project. Then we need some tools to shape the clay like cutters and scissors. A marker or pencil, fevicol for sticking, this is golden dust powder. For making it a paste, we need a medium. Then some fabric colors and brushes. This is masking tape. Then we need double-sided tape. I think I have covered almost everything needed for today's project. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing, we need a cardboard also for this project. So, let's see how to do it. I have already painted these roses on canvas. These are oil paintings. If you want to learn how to paint a rose, check my video on the same subject. I'll share the link in the description. I have taken one piece of paper to trace the measurement. I'm keeping an inch bigger than our paintings, then cut it. Using this cutout, mark the size on cardboard and cut it neatly. Clean off the edges so that it gives a smooth effect. For making the cardboard strong, we will use masking tape pieces on the edges. we have to apply texture white all over the cardboard pieces. I forgot to mention about the texture white while introducing the materials needed for this project. Keep it for drying. I kept it almost an hour. Now we can stick the painting over the cardboard using fevicol. It's time for making clay models using this mold. I'm making different pattern for every pieces. Then we have to stick it with fevicol. Clay has to dry. Then using white acrylic color, paint the clay models. For the edges of the cardboard, I am using the matching colors of the flower to paint. Then I painted the clay models with black paint. To give it an antique look, we have to apply golden dust powder over this black color and on the edges too. I am making some random lines over the roses to get the golden touch. All our art pieces are ready now. Now left with one thing. Stick the double-sided tape behind the paint. You can use 1 or 2 pieces of double-sided tape as per the weight of the art piece. You can stick this anywhere you want, like on the fridge, on the wall, on cupboard, or you can use as your desk decor. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found useful. See you guys soon in my next video. Until then, take care and happy painting.